Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert Figma to React.js. It's very easy to do, so I'm going to show you today. First, open your Figma account. If you are here for first time, sign up for it, otherwise log in into your account. You will find several options here. To the left panel contains layers assets. You can see the name of your file. On the right panel, you can find various options like design, prototype, colors, etc. To add plugins, go to the top left navigation bar and click on plugins. So let's do that. Here is a plugin bar. Let's search Anima. Let's click on that. So let's click on login to Anima. Click on login with Google. And here I'm going to select my Google account. Just click on let's do it. It will ask you some questions, so let's answer them. So let's get back to Figma. You will be on the main screen where the magic happens. You will see many options like responsive pages, interest animation, over effect, media element, text input, submit button, etc. On the top right, we will click on get code. So let's click on the frame and click export. It will ask you which framework do you prefer. So let's click on HTML. It will take some time in generating code, so let's wait. So here, our code is ready. So let's click on go to Anima. The browser will open up and you will see the main dashboard of Anima. There you can see the code of your frame you selected to export. There you can see the code of the frame you selected to export. The code, simply click on the export code in the top right corner and you will get the zip file. So here you have it. If you found this video helpful, please hit a like and subscribe. Thanks.